In this video, I'll show you the BEA Evoloop, a radar scanner as a smart alternative to traditional in-road loops and light barriers for barrier arms and gates. Hi, I'm Andre from DoorAutomation24.com. The BEA Evoloop is an advanced sensor that, with its 140-degree field of view, can generate up to 3 virtual loops. These flexible loops control the opening and closing of the barrier and can also be used for activating, for example, ticket or license plate recognition systems. Especially noteworthy with the Evoloop is the straightforward installation, all without extensive roadwork. Install the sensor, connect it, program it, and you're good to go. The configuration is conveniently handled through a mobile app, allowing you to effortlessly program and tailor the virtual loops to your needs. Thanks to state-of-the-art radar technology, the Evoloop reliably detects vehicles and pedestrians. This technology also works reliably in all weather conditions, including rain, snow, or fog. The Evoloop can also replace a light barrier and provides protection according to Type D. Per EN 12453, it safeguards vehicles and people by minimizing barrier arm contact risks. Learn more about the BEA Evoloop radar scanner at DoorAutomation24.com. You'll find the link, as always, in the video description.